In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your contacts in Mailchimp by combining tags. Before we begin, ensure that you're using Google Chrome for the best experience with Mailchimp. Now let's dive right in. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage interface. There's a lot here, but our focus for today is on the Audience section. You'll find this option on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on Audience and you'll be redirected to an area where you can see the core details about your subscribers. Now locate your specific list. This is an essential step because tags are associated with lists. Select the desired list to move forward. Next, we want to direct our attention to tags. Tags help categorize your contacts and make targeting more efficient. You'll spot the Tags option here, likely among other tabs like Segments and Sign-up Forms. Click Tags, and you'll be presented with a comprehensive view of all the tags that currently exist within your selected list. This is where things start to get interesting. There might be scenarios where you have an overlap of similar groups or duplicate tags that serve the same purpose. Instead of managing multiple tags over time, combining them into one makes future campaigns smoother and less cluttered. Use the search bar available in this section. Type in the tag names that you think should be combined. As you search, make note of the contacts associated with each of these tags to ensure you're capturing all the desired participants. Once you have a complete picture of the tags you'd like to combine, the next step is to create a new tag. This will serve as the overarching category for your combined groups. Start by selecting the contacts you want to move into this new tag. You can do this by checking the boxes next to the contacts' names or by using Mailchimp's selection tools. When you're satisfied with your selection, look for an option or drop-down menu that allows you to apply a new tag. It's as simple as typing in your preferred new tag name and applying it. With your new tag in place, you now have a choice to make. To maintain a clean and organized list, consider removing the old tags from each contact. It's an optional step, but doing so helps prevent confusion in future campaigns and keeps your tags purposeful and effective. Simply go back to the individual contact profiles or use bulk actions to delete the outdated tags, and there you have it.